Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up Razorpay for your Shopify store, allowing you to accept payments easily. So, let's get started. The first step is to create a Razorpay account. And to do so, visit the Razorpay website at razorpay.com and sign up for an account if you don't have one. Just go to your web browser and search for Razorpay right here. Now, after the website appears, sign in or create an account here. Now, the next step is to access your Shopify admin. And to do so, just open a new tab and in the search bar type in shopify.com. After the website appears, click on login. Now, if you haven't already logged in, you'll be asked to enter your account credentials, or in case you haven't created an account yet, you'll be asked to create one. You can do so, it's very easy and very simple. As I am already logged in, I'll be directed to my dashboard automatically. Now, once in Shopify dashboard, in the left sidebar, click on settings and then select menu, select payments. Click on settings right here next to the gear icon and select payments from the options here. Now, under accept payments, find Razorpay and click on activate. You'll need to enter your Razorpay account credentials to activate it, to connect it. Now let's see here. Let's look for payment methods. Let's look for Razorpay. Okay. It's not here. Maybe it's in providers. Let's see here. I don't think it's available in my country. But if you live in another country, maybe it will be available. Now after that, you'll enter your Razorpay account credentials to connect. And for the fifth step, you have to configure Razorpay settings. After activation, you can configure settings such as payment methods and transaction preferences. Make sure to set everything according to your business needs. For the sixth step is to save and test. Finally, save your changes and conduct a test transaction to ensure Razorpay is functioning properly on your store. And that's it. You've successfully set up Razorpay for your Shopify store. Now you can start accepting payments seamlessly. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.